Show my behind the camera. Where's my alarm? Yes, my baby is calling me. Good morning. This is still here, okay? My bed was here, so kita orang just switch it up. Hi. So now we are in the process of cleaning this out. I'm gonna buy our wardrobe here, and I'm gonna bagi dorang wet food because I'm gonna try to switch. Like I usually bagi dorang wet food at night around 7:30. So now I wanna try to switch bagi dorang morning. Let's. I love using micellar water in the morning, and I kind of love these. It's an essence. Mas Adi. I need to charge my laptop. Loma, don't step on it. I'm ready. Wearing my new black pants from OkGo. We're gonna go to IKEA to beli almari for here. Alrighty. Oh my god, my hair. Today I'm just gonna wear a scarf, a black scarf. Should I wear Birkenstock or we need suka? What this? We just watch Kill Bill, the movie. Huh? Oh my god, you guys want to see the real Kill Bill? I'm gonna show you the real Kill Bill. This is our boss.
Ready? Good.
Quick. Hello. We're here. Hi, baby.
Hi.
I'm just bringing this sweatshirt sebab sejuk. It's raining. Can you hear it? Can we get coffee first? Coffee check. Now it's time for. Tu je dia. Well, it's only there. Good. And just look around. Ooh, okay, we want to check out the new collection actually. Pening je. I think we're gonna get these. We like these, but this one is more clean. And this one is not clean here. Zami got a point. So kalau we want to put 2, it's not going to be so clean. But this one, if we put 2, it's going to be
cohesive lagi lah.
Nak lagi what? Nice. Which one?
Sliding dengan buka.
Yeah, no, I don't want sliding.
Okay.
So cheap. Number 5. Quantity, sorry. 2. Okay. Let's find Zami. I know where is he. Dia dekat toilet section. Just look at this boy. Dia dengan his cleaning toilet product. What is it? Forgot about you. I'm home and I tengah book flight to go back to Johor. Our cousin ada wedding tomorrow. Done. I'm gonna shower. And then we're gonna eat. Yeah, wait. Dan mandi. Look at my t-shirt. No, Loma ni sebab I tengah change their food punya intake. I mean like they usually eat wet food at night, but now I tukar to morning. So dia macam tak puas hati. He didn't get his wet food malam-malam. One thing about Loma, he needs me to do this in order for him to makan. I have no idea why. Yeah, so I have to teman him makan every time. Oh, careful Baba. Eat some more. Little bit. Do a haul, a mini haul of what we bought just now. We bought 2 white cupboard, but then kita orang asked them to send because we're so lazy to angkat. So we bought these for my kitchen, and then I bought a bread knife because I don't have a bread knife, and this is the one that we used, similar collection. It's this one. I bought these. We had the white one and we really love this collection because it's super soft and cold. And I bought, of course, the matching bed sheet. I bought these. I think this is a new scent. This is so cute. I bought these. This is the Marimekko collection. They had a sale just now and I need a bathrobe. And this is all candle. I like to buy this size to put in a toilet because it's cheap. This is only 15 ringgit, I think. 15 ke 20, around that lah. I bought this size too. This one can put dekat bedside or something. Cute. I love this scent. Dia macam wood fire. I love this scent as well. This gotta be my favorite. This is super nice. Love the smell. I love this. So, and this one is nice too. I love very earthy smell. This is my favorite scent as well. I think this is for Christmas. I'm not sure, but it's so good. But they're sweet a bit. So this is the haul, and I bought that one too. Sade. I bought this. This is priceless. Boop. Oh, look at this. This is super cute. It's cuter than I thought. Chicken wing, chicken wing. Yeah. We're watching this stupid show. And now we're gonna watch television with this boy. Okay?